be afraid to bring Mary home as your wife, for the child is her from the Holy Spirit. Name him Jesus, because he will save their people from their sins. The doctor
Just go like C, G, C, and then.
So if the baby named Jesus can take away the sins of the people, he will take away the darkness too. This is the most beautiful truth, that the baby being born of Mary was going to be the light of the world. After Joseph heard this, he married Mary and cared for her tenderly. Not long after Joseph and Mary were married, the Roman Emperor Caesar Augustus decreed that all the people should pay taxes. But first, everyone had to go back to his birthplace to have his name written on a list.
Now hear this. This is for everybody from Bethlehem. Okay? Now how many here from Bethlehem? I want a little more cooperation. Because you know what? You know who wrote this message? This message is from the emperor. And I want everybody whose hometown is Bethlehem to go back to Bethlehem and sign up. And if I find any name not on that list, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to report it to Caesar Augustus the Emperor. So go ahead back to Bethlehem and sign up. Yeah, you better.
I don't have to go to Bethlehem. I'm not Bethlehem.
Joseph and Mary also need to have their names written on Caesar's list. Joseph was of the family of King David, whose birthplace was Bethlehem. So from Nazareth they traveled down the mountains to the river Jordan. They followed the long river almost to its end. Then they climbed up the mountain of Judah until finally they reached the little town of Bethlehem.
I was born in the North Shore election.